show it to you.
All right, so what we've done to start off is we've peeled back and folded all of these little flaps up so that they're out of the way. If you film the inside, you can kind of show them. Right now what we have is just these bars are separated, these poles. Might be hard to see with silver. I don't have a fixture right now to actually put this on in this room, but I actually am able to just use the rabbit ear, which affixes to the light itself. And what we always do is we start on the ends. You can see there that he's putting the two poles on the short end of this rectangular rabbit ear. And then from there, he's going to release the Velcro at the top. There he goes. And he inserts it here. And the reason he's doing that is it takes the pressure off the end. And now he's going to go ahead and put it back up. Now here, again, same concept. He releases it. He'll go ahead and insert that and put it back up. In our directions, we actually say you can go ahead and put it at the end of the Velcro. But what we advise doing is to work the opposite side as well. He's going to come to this end here. These are the fixed points that he's working with. The rabbit ear itself is adjustable to fit a wide variety of our products, but those 4 points that he's working with are the fixed points. So that's why he's starting there, because it's set in stone. Again, he loosens the top, goes ahead and inserts that, and he brings it back up to the Velcro. And then this one as well, he's going to go ahead and do the same. Now he's going to move towards the sides with the rabbit ear portion of it. You can see it insert there as well. He'll put this pole here. Now he releases at the top. And he goes ahead and inserts. He does it there. And the instructions, like I said, it actually says to go around the whole bag. Christian here has a lot more experience setting these up, so he goes ahead and does it all in one shot. The main point that we're doing here by doing a step A and a step B is we're taking the tension off the pole. What can commonly happen if somebody's trying to do too much is they might force the situation to come to its finished position, where this is just taking your time and going ahead and inserting the pole, and then boom, he's on the end. If you notice behind there, there's a white Velcro on the top of that pad, and we'll point it out more clearly. He's just going to the top of that Velcro. So if I was to come around here and show you what he's done, there's a positioning point here that's the white Velcro, and we're just saying, just lay it up here on that point. If you notice, each one of them has that. And as you can see, the bag itself, the OCTA is taking shape. This is the 7-foot OCTA SNAPBAG. Now he's going to apply the diffusion on it. And actually, I'm sorry, my apologies. First he's going to put the baffle in. There's attachment points right about the center of the side of the bag there, as you can see. There's an extra length. The person can adjust it. That's about where he needs to be. Actually, he went off a little bit. There's more over on this side, but he's just doing this quickly to show you. You could obviously do some minor adjustments later if you wanted to bring it perfect center. All right, here's the magic cloth diffusion. I'm going to set it up by itself so you can kind of see that it is possible for one person to put this together. If you notice what he's doing is he's going to the corner points of the actual octagon, placing them, and then going ahead and smoothing from the center of the panel. Anytime you're working with any of our SNAPBAGs, that's the actual easiest way to put a diffusion on is to find the corners and then smooth out the panel. He's got one side left right over here. Again, it's not attached to a light at this point in time, but if I was to go ahead and pick this up, There's the 7-foot Octa fully assembled. At the end here, you have your shelf with the light. You just go ahead and pass this back up and over the light fixture, blocking any light leak, and then you have the front. Thank you for watching our video. Another rack place demonstration for the OCTA 7. Have a nice day.